How to recycle old shoes efficiently. Old shoes are made from a complex mix of materials: rubber soles, fabric uppers, leather, foam, plastic reinforcements, and metal eyelets. That makes recycling them a serious challenge. But with the right equipment, it's possible to separate and recover valuable components efficiently. In this video, we showcase our custom shoe recycling line, specifically designed to handle the diverse and tangled structure of worn-out footwear. The process includes single shaft shredder, tears apart whole shoes, separating layers and reducing size. Magnetic separator removes any hidden iron like nails, hooks, or metal supports. Hammer mill further crushes mixed material into small, separable particles. Zigzag separator removes lightweight fluff like foam and fabric. Eddy current separator recovers aluminum and other non-ferrous metals. Why it works? This setup is ideal for recyclers dealing with used shoes from donation centers, waste sorting facilities, or footwear. It enables the recovery of clean rubber, usable metal, and separated non-metallic fractions, reducing landfill waste while increasing material value. Contact us now for customized solutions, machine specs, or to schedule a trial with your material.